in other words, today's expert, maybe the tomorrow's a liability. Yes, with the 40 years of experience can be a liability, not an asset. Until unless we all, including myself, we are not coming with the new skills, the skills which have to make our self-readiness. You see today here, when we just stream, many of the participants, including me, we started streaming at 10 a.m. Till 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., the time when you are before screen or you must be doing something else also. But we could not get some material out of it rather than 2-3 slides. So we could have to have some imported media or some informative things to be flash out, or maybe even the tour of the institution. The one PPT could have, or one video of the institution, Guru Gobind Singh Institute, because I have never visited this institution in my 48 years. So I could have to be just walk through today, the labs, the laboratory. I'm sure the video must be there, or some previous clips or some galleries, what kind of events happened. So that 30 minutes could have been utilized very well by the institution, because this is what for NAC or NBA required, you know, perception, the positive perception, the branding. For NIRF, you are looking for a branding. Why global market not accepting the graduates as it is? It is a very simple thing, but as I mentioned, if you are passing out the students without giving us skills, I think it is the biggest crime we are doing, being a teacher or being a institutions. Giving a just mere piece of paper is not a job today. We want to do this. That's why my last question comes, when teacher will transform to the ICT based teaching and pedagogy? Yes, the days are very near when this kind of scenario you're going to see. If you can watch my screen, although I have to go a little fast because timeline is given to me, I have to be worried for my clock also. So, you know, when this book will discover in after 5 or 10 years, the people will think some unidentified object has come in our campus. What is that book? Because everybody's on Facebook. So we have to go a screen savvy. The teacher has to be screen savvy. Teacher has to be a camera ready now. So the real place of ICT is now we have to go with the open education resources. My first half of the presentation is for my teachers, and the immediate second half of my presentation for students. But I'll go little fast because time span has been skewed to the half. So I have to make justice to my presentation. So the blended learning, flipped learning, and MOOCs, I will not take time to discuss this because all they are very beautiful tools, and every institution, all my 900 plus universities of my country, all my 40,000 plus institutions of my country has to have the blended learning mode as per the UGC guidelines, as per the AICTE guidelines. All, as already Professor Ghumman mentioned, that the 75% you can think only for the classroom teaching, and the 25% is going to be the blended mode, that is online mode, etc. So while you take it a COVID as a virus, I think we should take it as a COVID-20 as an antivirus for the Indian education system. Blessings in disguise. Yes, being a teacher, being an institution, being an education industry in my country, the connectivity, C is not corona, for you is a connectivity. Why don't you think for the fiber optics to become? Why don't you think for the bandwidth has to be get improved? It's a huge, investment and huge participation and huge manpower is going to get involved. Online content generation. I'll tell you, when the SWAYAM got started, we got started with the 30 courses. As on today, we reached to having 3,000 courses on SWAYAM. But what is the quality of the courses? I just openly say for this. You go with a Coursera or some MIT edX kind of content, and the content given by my of the friends or colleagues, when they're coming before the camera, the body language, the fluency, and sitting on a chair, you are reading just like a news, it's not going to be a sort of a MOOCs platform. You have to with a very good body language. The teen शब्द हैं, दस्तार, रफ्तार, गुफ्तार, इन तीनों के साथ बांधना पड़ेगा आपको अपने MOOCs के, your dressing sense, your body language, your content. Virtual classroom platform. आज हम भी बात कर रहे हैं फ्री कॉन्फ्रेंस से. हमारे हिंदुस्तान की माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने ऑलरेडी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स फ्री कर रखा है सभी इंस्टीट्यूशन के लिए. यू मस्ट प्रोक्योर द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम काइंड ऑफ प्लेटफॉर्म. सी हाउ अमेजिंगली इट्स वर्किंग without any kind of noise, and you don't have to worry for the recording sessions and everything. Free conference is an amazing, no doubt, platform, but sometimes it needs a more streaming bandwidth. So those have the weak internet capacity, they cannot watch my face. My face will be somewhere stacking, lag in my video, or some may not be listening me properly on audio, something like this. So the virtual classroom platforms we have to have. अभी कल ही बात की हमने कि हमारे हिंदुस्तान ने कह दिया है say namaste. So new video conference platform has come from Government of India. I think in coming days it is going to be also going to be scalable and more quality conscious platform, because as in today it's for 150 participants. We cannot go with that with a beta version. Interface with the online proctor examination. By 2021, half of my students of the higher education have to have the online examination. Yes, Ghumman Saab ne bahut sahi kaha hai, and my previous speaker from Mauritius already speak on very well, because they are in that island, they could manage it. We are the huge country with 130 crores of the participants of my country, my citizens. I think we'll take time. We take time, and the time will not be a day or even a month. I think it is going to be taken a year or maybe years. We have to learn how to stay along with the COVID. COVID is not going away as early, or even it not going away at all. It will be there, but with a minimized characters. So we have to have the online proctor examinations, because the social distancing, the word I don't say, physical distancing has to be maintained. Social distances mat kijiye. I think it's a wrong word, has been populated throughout the world, and people are using social. अरे हमें सामाजिक दूरियां नहीं बढ़ानी है, हमें तो फिजिकल दूरियां रखनी है. सिर्फ एक बॉडी से दूसरी बॉडी की दूरी, it's a physical distance we have to maintain for certain limit. The digital data storage with the cloud services, yes, it is a huge potential for this. But the universities should go. Not only for the buildings, they have to go for the content generation also. The universities has to get investment for not only for the classrooms, but for the internet bandwidth. Not only for the libraries, of course, they have to go for the cloud, and they have to go for the ebook or NDL sort of procurement things. We have to get it. Not only for the laboratories, of course, the digital video studios has to get installed in all the universities and 40,000 plus colleges in my India for higher education. So open education resource, the beauty is that today when you are watching on a Facebook live or a YouTube live, or maybe through this free conference, the recorded version, tomorrow you can run this video, you can reuse, you can revise, you can remix, you can redistribute to the many other participants, and of course you can retain for many years with you this video content, whichever you like. You can cut the video, you can mold the video, you can make it use. This is the beauty of the open education resource, and we have to go it. Flipping the board. We were saying from last many years, flip, flip, flip. Nobody was understanding what is a flip learning. Now, how come all of a sudden within 2 months, the 60% of my higher education teaching could understand how to operate Zoom, how to go for a Google Classroom, how to use this sort of platforms to go for the virtual classroom? Because जब तकलीफ आती है तो तब हम समझने लगते हैं. तो हम पहले तैयार नहीं होते, तकलीफ आने के बाद हमें समझ में आती है. तो अभी भी फ्लिप लर्निंग मोड में आ जाना चाहिए. वी हैव टू कम टू दिस फ्लिप लर्निंग मोड. आई एम नॉट एबल टू एक्सप्लेन मोर बिकॉज टाइम इज शॉर्ट. The blended learning is another option. Today we are connected to this virtual learning platform, inquiry project based learning, technical integration has been done, global connections we have could make. From one person from Mauritius, one person from UK has connected to this virtual international conference. And of course, many kind of quiz assignments we can give it to the students through the very gamification method. The direct instructions can be given. The peer-to-peer coaching is going to be take place with a discussion forum, hand raisers, etc. In a class, I think I cannot justify with even 100 students also if they keep raising their hands. But on the virtual classroom, I think the hand raising can take place through the chat box or maybe the audio video mode, and I can reply to many questions, and many questions can be replied by the peers of the class, and they can be having a great learning from this. So the MOOCs, I think it is a feature of my higher education or school education, but to certain limit. We cannot replace chalk and duster. Please mind it, chalk and duster cannot be replaced. Until unless go to the class, physically sit, and we see our role model, our teacher, our mentor in front of us, the way he is going to teach. Teaching is not only the content of your competency. Teaching is your psychology. Teaching is your human values. Teaching is your family values. Teaching is your national values, which comes from the mouth of the teacher when he says, I'll tell you, the content without emotions is not at all a content. It is just like a book. It is lying on a shelf for 100 years, whether you read it, whether you don't read it. When you start reading with the expressions of the writer, of the author, I think that whole book you can inculcate in your mind. So the body language, I should say here the भावनाएं. जब तक अगर मेरी बात में भावनाएं नहीं होंगी, मैं बात कितनी भी ऊंची या बड़ी करूंगा, मेरी बात नहीं होगी. We listen so many kathas, we listen so many people, but few people we like more like Sadhguru, like Maskeen ji. Reason is very simple, because they have their inner voice. They have their own avastha. They have their own structure, which he has himself is an institution. Then his content coming and delivering pattern gives all these quadrants. the e-tutorial, the e-content, the discussion forum, the assessment. I think many of you must be agree with me. I saw a movie 10 years back, or you saw some movies 15 years back, but still you remember the dialogue with the same significance. What Amitabh Bachchan told, what Dilip Kumar have said, although it was not a classroom. But what the teacher told in our last week view, I think it is hard to be remembered. The reason is very simple. The things which comes in a mind only when you visualize properly, when you listen properly. So effective listening has to be make a great success. A voice assistance. AI is going to be do the amazing role for the upcoming times. The artificial intelligence is going to give you the voice assistance, particularly in my country. You know, when I'm teaching here from maybe Punjab, and I think one of my participants from Kerala may get difficulty if I speak somewhere in between Hindi. So they can use this kind of a voice assistant to translate my Hindi to that language in which they are comfortable to listen. This is the beauty of this voice assistance for the teacher, at least which you are going to use. Advanced facial recognitions. Now I think why I'm using here SDG 4, that is a Sustainable Development Goal 4, because I am representing India for the UNO for SDG 4 as a member, effective member. So in the facial recognition, in coming days, your wards are coming, your students are coming to the class. I think they will be covered with the mask, and they have to have the mask. Even you yourself will be wearing a mask in the class. How to take attendance if you don't recognize the face itself? And more or less we do sound the roll number only. Some of the teachers even don't remember the face of their classmates for our last 6 months also if they have teaching continuously. So anyhow, so the artificial intelligence give you a complete help to give your attendance with the maybe eye retina or maybe a biometric sort of things. The facial recognition is going to be take place by AI. You don't have to worry about this. Emotional and movement monitoring for the better classroom dynamics analysis. You know, it's one of the amazing tool we are going to use along with the MOOCs and maybe the real-time classrooms. You are teaching 100+ students how you can identify who's a slow learner and who's a fast learner until unless he's going to appear for some examination. Or sometimes their slow learner will do the good vomit in exam. You know, it's a purely vomiting in exam as on today. We are just putting emphasis on remembering without bothering whether understanding is taking place, analyzing is taking place. Means I'm talking about something Bloom taxonomy. I think we should work on this. I'm not spending more time, but this AI tool is going to be helpful a lot. And of course, the cognitive insights, all the 6 cognitive levels as per the OBE is required by Government of India, MHRD. That is your all 6 levels of cognitive learning of the participant or a learner can be definitely be made automated, because human eye is not sufficient to capture the traits of the all participants or learners in a class of 60 minutes, because you have to see half of the time a blackboard only to write your equations and drawing your drawing. The moment when you're going to explain the drawing, the next lecture will come and then the teacher is going to rub the blackboard. Next day, tomorrow, you will start creating a blackboard. I think we should use a whiteboard. Now I'm coming to another point, internationalization of Indian education. It's a need of our. Just see here on the slide, I cannot explain each and every country, how they have the targets and how they are achieving these targets from the international students. My Indian students are back due to COVID from Canada, from US, from Europe, and of course from China. They are not going back for next 6 months. Can you tap them? Can you hold them back? Although we have the world's largest education system in my country with 900+ universities. You name the university, like Yoga University we have, Sanskrit University we have, private universities we have. You know, the government central universities we have the universities for research, we have the universities for teaching, but still our students are going abroad. What is the reason? We have to check ourselves. I think the COVID, something different we have. So we have to take care of that COVID, which is working with our system. We have to go away. We have to let go away from that COVID. Now, dear students, I'm taking just 10 minutes for you because my talk is going to be limited for the less time. So I'm just get ready for your new avatar. Don't worry. There are plenty of jobs are coming for you. The great opportunities coming for you. Who says jobs are not there? Just be with me for next 10 minutes. You see the left-hand side, we live this life, you know, 9 to 5. You are not going to stay with the 9 to 5. You will work anytime. You will work from anywhere. You will use any device. Either it's a laptop, not for me just carrying a briefcase or carrying my simple register, attendance register in the class. You will be carrying a laptop. You may carrying your mobile phone. Create your own ladder. It's nothing like this. First you will join as LDC, UDC, assistant, senior assistant, superintendent. No, these jobs are not going to be there. You will be directly executive, single window clearance. You will be executive, you will be the CEO, you will be the helper of your company because it's going to be a single window clearance. You should have all these skills with you. share your information. It is not the time like me when I wanted to share my notes with my classmate, my peer. Sometimes I feel why I should share, he will take a more score. Now today, if you share more, I think you will learn more, because with your sharing, I think you are learning more. We should have Vidya Vicharita Paropkari, that slogan now practically happening in this, whole world is sharing their data, how many COVID cases, what kind of the vaccination takes place, what kind of drug discovery is happening in their country, because we are 1 + 1 = 11 theory we are working. Earlier it was not 1 + 1 = 11. Earlier it was 1 को काटो आधा करो. एक दूसरे की टांग खींचने का काम हम करते रहे हैं 70 साल से, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ना चाहिए. Automation versus jobs, हमेशा डर लगता है. Whenever we talk about the automation, robotics, we people feel like, oh, our jobs are going to be eaten away. Just look at the scenario. It is not from me. It is from the survey which has been conducted by AIMA and PwC. Your 54% will fall under the same unchanged jobs. Manufacturing is not going to be closed down. Civil work is not going to be closed down. Your 9% new jobs are going to be added, which I'm going to tell you. 52 to 69% repetitive predictive roles at the risk of automation, that you have to get the new skills. Very said today by Professor Ghuman, who said only by doing the computer science and engineering, or doing only engineering, you can do this kind of jobs. Even you have done +2, even you have done BA, even you have done BSc, you take a 5 or 6 months online or maybe offline skill courses, you can be a master. What is blockchain developer? Huge opening is coming to my country with the blockchain developers. Artificial intelligence specialization. Without artificial intelligence, no industry will work, not even institution will work, not in any political party will survive without AI. JavaScript developers, because everything is going to be in a codic form. Why today, one app is helping you as a bodyguard. Our Honorable Prime Minister said, go for Arogya Setu. So app is so bigger. Now you can understand the value of app. तभी मैं पंजाब के बच्चों को कहता हूँ, ऐप तो ऐप दी ओर, छोड़ दो अपना ऐप, देर तक उठने का ऐप, देर तक खाता खाने रहने का ऐप, जंक फूड्स छोड़ दो ऐप की तरफ बढ़ो. Start developing apps. Robotic process automation consultant, back-end developers. I'm not spending a time on this because I can't explain. The time is very short. Growth manager, site reliability engineering, customer success specialization, full stack engineer, robotics engineers. Have you ever heard these names earlier? These all jobs are coming in a many fold. Only thing is you need to be just simple graduated. Even you are not a graduated, you have to have direct skills, which skills they are looking for. You should be a good human being, you should be an Indian citizen, and you should be able to do something on a computer with this kind of things. And learning with the 6 months or 3 months courses. Many of the good organizations like Coursera, they're given a free option nowadays to be enrolled for the courses. Why don't you take this? Is a good time. You are at home. You are not going to appear for any classes for next maybe 1.5 months. Your institutions are not going to be open before August. Why don't you take some kind of skills at home and attending these kind of webinars which you are attending today? The cybersecurity specialization, Python developer, even you are a civil engineer, even you are a commerce graduate, without Python you are not going to survive. Better you have a Python with you. It is a language, it's a tool. Don't worry, it's nothing a computer science engineering. You don't have to do a 4 years BTech to get all these kind of things to be as expertise. So lead generation, specialization, all these jobs, what I mean to say here, hands are same, roles are going to be changed. So it's a paradigm. It's a paradigm, hard work to smart work. अब वो जमाना गया कि मजदूर सिर पर तसला उठाएगा, अब वो सिर्फ बटन दबाएगा और विजुलाइज करेगा, मॉनिटर करेगा, वहां पर आपको लेंटर डलता नजर आएगा. RCC will take place because robot will work for you, but you have to guide a robot, you have to monitor the robot, you have to make the robot, you have to program the robot, these kind of services. So these are the emerging technologies for the next decade, which I am going to be cybersecurity expert. Every district, every government office required a cybersecurity expert. Otherwise, our sites are going to be hacked. Our credit cards in danger. Our net banking is in danger. All our institutions, universities, the secrecy department is in danger if they don't have the cybersecurity, because hacking is taking place everywhere. It is totally a data war. Don't say it is a third war. It is a data war. Where your data is safe, you are safe. Where your data is not safe, you are not safe. Whether you are a human being or whether you are a minister or whether whoever you are. So, traffic monitoring. I'm not talking only the road traffic. Of course, many driverless cars are going to become. So that road traffic management is going to be amazing, different. It is totally GPS enabled system, AI enabled system. I'm talking about the space traffic also. Now day before yesterday, 2 guys already left for another place that is going to be satellite. So very soon you are going to looking your future plots in a Mars. or maybe on moon. So you needs to be travel. So space traffic is going to be higher than road traffic in coming years. Mind it. So you have to be ready for the space technology jobs, healthcare workers, everything. Who says this COVID have stopped you? No, nobody stopped you. Your internet is with you. Your mobile is with you. Your laptop is with you. Keep learning. Keep learning your skills. Within 3 months, you can learn Python at home and during your lockdown period. What else? Instead of not paying a single penny. So why to wait for the college to be get open? Going a college to be get a degree and 75% attendance, nothing else. We have to have the skills, and from the college you have to have the humanity. When you want to understand the humanity, of course your EQ has to be get sharpened from the college. When you talk with the peers, you understand the different pains. You will understand who's the guru, what is the teacher, what is the role of teacher. Then you will learn so many things from college. But for this kind of skills learning, I think you should not wait for the college to be get open. So you just catch the wave and tune with the technology, get entrepreneurship. Don't try to be a job seeker. I think you should be a job creator, because Atmanirbhar Bharat बनने जा रहा है. Make in India, Digital India, Smart India. So you should be the job creator. अभी ये मैं जो यहाँ पे कह रहा हूँ झूठ नहीं है, आपके सामने दिखाने जा रहा हूँ. अब देखिए, at the left hand side, you know every personality. The great entrepreneurs of my country like Dhirubhai Ambani, Ratan Tata, Narayan Murthy, Azim Premji. Left hand, right hand side पे कौन है? Do you know them? The youngest entrepreneurs of my countries already are the millionaires and billionaires. Just age of 26 and 27 they are. Just go their biography. See who's created Oyo Room. So one of the girl, she's here that created, you know, the paper packing. So all polythenes are going away. So the paper packing to keep your fruits, your vegetables fresh for the long period. This is what the Shri Lakshmi, this is what the Anshuman Sinha. Just search them on a Google and see how they are doing it amazingly. Just at your age only, of the age of 24 or 25, they becomes a billionaire with a single-handed, with a single laptop, or with a single mind or single idea. Can't you be a billionaire or millionaire like this? So don't burn your opportunities for a temporary comfort. This is what I wanted to say. For teachers, technology will not replace teachers, but teachers who use technology will replace those who do not. So it is you to decide whether you want to be an old design teacher or a new design teacher. And this is what our whole country wants everybody to come in the green zone. So the green zone is here, as per my knowledge, is the growth zone. And the red zone is the comfort zone, which we are. So please come out from the red zone, go to the orange zone, go to the yellow zone, and finally come to the green zone. It is you to decide which zone you want to be carry on, you want to be continue. With all this, I just concluded well in time as per given to me. Thank you to all of you, for organizers, for participants, to listening. You can join me through my Facebook, my YouTube channel for many more details and kind of other kind of learnings, tools, etc. Thank you very much.